Oh yeah, it is green chili season, and we're gonna go out and roast these on my propane grills. I'm gonna use both my propane grills. One's a Monument grill, one's a charbroil. I got this set up, got them all heated up. Now let's get it loaded up. Yes, sir. Just get these green chilies right on. Put them on the Monument grill. What we're gonna do is let these blister up a little bit before we turn them. And then once they've been on there 2, 3, 4, 5 minutes, whatever it takes, I'm going to take my chilies and flip them over. You can see the char marks on them. Man, you should smell the air. It smells so good, of course. You know, hey, it takes a couple of beers to do all these chilies, but totally worth it. Okay, after we get them all turned over, I'm going to start throwing them in the ice chest with a liner so that we can let these steam for probably a good 2 hours afterward. And look at that. Okay, of course we got to make something with them, right? So I'm going to make these bacon wrapped stuffed green chilies. These are not roasted chilies yet. So these are raw chilies. You want to pull out the seeds. You want to make sure you tap out as much of the seeds as you can. And there you go. Nice and hollow. So here's my cream cheese mixture. I didn't show making it. I've got some leftover baby back ribs chopped up in the cream cheese with some other cheese. And that is my stuffing. Okay, and then you just want to take your stuffing, get some gloves on because this gets messy. Now I'm going to roll this up into kind of like a cone shape, the shape of the green chili, to make it easier to get the green chili all the way down inside. Of course, it's going to hit some of the membrane going down in. So yes, you got to stick your finger down in there. You want to press the cream cheese in pretty far. You want to pack it a little bit tight. Just want to so you get it all the way down to the tip if you can. All right, and then just push it in there, get a little more green cheese, stuff it. You want to get that chili nice and stuffed. Again, I do have some baby back rib meat inside this mixture. All right, let's speed one up, do it one more time. You roll it like a cone, stuff it in there. Yeah, you got to push it in with your finger. You could cut these in half and stuff them and then wrap them, but that cream cheese explodes when it gets hot. So there they are. Got them all done. Now we're going to take a piece of bacon. Start at the fat end. One piece is not going to go very far. It's probably only going to go 2 to 3 inches, which is fine. We'll take 2 pieces, and the second piece, of course, there's a lot more chili left, but it's thinner, and it will definitely wrap all the way around till you get down to the point. So, and you can stretch the bacon a little bit, shift it around. You want to just get these covered, just like you're doing a jalapeno popper. These are kind of like green chili poppers, but I didn't cut them in half. They're left whole, and we stuffed them from the top. So there you go. Just get this bacon adjusted a little bit. Each one will be a tiny bit different, but they will be fully covered. And, you know, there you go. There's one done. And here they all are. So what I'm going to do with these is I'm going to use some Texas sugar. I love this Meat Church Texas sugar. So I'm going to sprinkle it on the top. I will flip these over and do the bottom, and we'll get them out to the pellet grill. I'm going to go 300 degrees. Don't forget, feet side up. Why? So you can move it. You can slide it. You can turn it. All right, we're going to let those go. Probably an hour to an hour and 15 minutes at 300 degrees. We're just about an hour in, and what I'm going to do right now is just give these things a spin. Set those over there, and I've got some, I'm growing a bunch of Roma tomatoes. So I've got Roma tomatoes cut in half with olive oil, basil, and Parmesan cheese. Maybe it's going to fit, maybe not. There we go. All right, I'm just going to put these in about 10 minutes to melt the cheese, and then, yeah, we're going to feast on this. Look at that. That's what we're doing. Look at that. Look at these. Oh, my goodness. Yep, cream cheese came out the front. Look at that. All right, can't wait to eat these. Give those about 2 more minutes and pull them off. Alright. Get these slides right out. Oh yeah, those just Roma tomatoes with olive oil, basil, and Parmesan cheese. Look at those. All right, check that out. Oh, these are going to be good. Let me cut one open for you. I probably could have had a sharper knife, but that's okay. Cream cheese is down in there. See, sharper knife, it wouldn't squeeze out like that, but that's okay. Just push it back in there. Check that out. Oh yeah, that's got a great taste. All right, let me grab one of these tomatoes. Okay. Okay, yeah, sharper knife when you cut these, especially. They're a little soft. Take a bite of this. Oh yeah, the flavor of the fine ripe tomatoes, so good. Okay, green chilies roasted, and then I made some green chili poppers kind of stuffed. Anyway, these were fantastic. Thanks for watching. I hope you have a great day.